Good morning, students. This is the lecture for class 3rd, subject English. And this is the lecture of lesson 1 sentences. This is your lecture number 1 and I am Deepti over here to give you my views on the topic sentences. I will tell you that what are sentences, how you frame sentences. So, the contents related to this particular chapter are first of all, you should know about the words, and before words, you should know what are letters. So, here are few letters A, N, G, M, O, S, E. And with the help of these letters, I make a word M-A-N-G-O-E-S, mangoes. So, next in the series, I have more letters H-I-C-L-D-E-N-R. And with the help of these letters, one word is framed, that is children, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Now more letters O-V-E-L, and with these letters, the word we frame is L-O-V-E, love. Now, we have 3 words, mangoes, children, love. With the help of these words, we make a sentence. Children love mangoes. So, this is a sentence and you came to know what are letters, and with the help of letters how we frame a word, and with the help of words how we are able to frame a sentence. Now, definition of sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense when put together. For example, I am a boy. This cup is blue. I will paint the mug. So definition for the sentence is, a sentence is a group of words. Sentence एक शब्दों का समूह है जिनका अर्थ निकलता हो, उन वर्ड्स को हम सेंटेंस बोलते हैं. I am a boy. Here are group of words. When we put together these words, a sentence form. जब हम इन वर्ड्स को इकट्ठा रखते हैं एक प्रॉपर सीक्वेंस में, तो एक सेंटेंस बनता है, एंड दैट इज अ सेंटेंस. I am a boy. मैं एक लड़का हूँ. This cup is blue. ये कप ब्लू है. I will paint the mug. मैं ये मग पेंट करूँगा. Now, the points which we kept in mind while making sentences are: a sentence must begin with capital letter. एक सेंटेंस हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर से शुरू होता है. A sentence must have commas, full stop and other such marks in correct place. एक सेंटेंस में कॉमा, फुल स्टॉप और इस तरह के पंक्चुएशन मार्क जो हैं वो प्रॉपर जगह पर लगने चाहिए. अ सेंटेंस मेक सेंस. एक सेंटेंस की सेंस बननी चाहिए. ए सेंटेंस मस्ट हैव सब्जेक्ट. एक सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट होना चाहिए. हाउ टू फ्रेम सेंटेंस. सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही प्लेज. दिस इज अ सेंटेंस. He is subject over here. Plays is verb. Subject, verb plus object. For example, cows eat grass. Radha is drinking milk. Cow is subject, eat is verb, and grass is object. Radha is drinking milk. Radha is subject, is helping verb, drinking is verb over here, and object is milk. So in this manner we will frame sentences. Now arrange the words in correct order to make a sentence. First one, boys are the swimming. The boys are swimming. Over here you can say, यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं कि पहला लेटर T कैपिटल है और सेंटेंस के अंत में फुल स्टॉप है, और इन वर्ड्स को मिलने के बाद जब आपने एक सेंटेंस फॉर्म किया तो उसका अर्थ निकलता है. That means this is a sentence. इसका ये मतलब है कि ये एक सेंटेंस है. Now, am I 8 old years? I am 8 years old. Now, it's the time for homework. Arrange the group of given words given below in correct order. A. Your homework must do regularly you. The first example I am going to tell you. You must do your homework regularly. Full stop. Y is capital and in the end I put a full stop. That's why this is a complete proper sentence. B part. Books the shelves on there are. You have to arrange the words to make a sentence. The park in the boys are playing. Is the dog animal a faithful? Again you have to arrange to make a sentence. Children good, the truth always tell. Again you have to form a sentence. And the last one, my birthday 16th July on is. Again you have to make a sentence of the following words. One more in the series, often goes my uncle by plane to Delhi. So you have to arrange these words to make a sentence. I hope you understand that how you arrange the words to make a sentence. So carefully you have to do the work in the notebook. I will come soon with the next lecture. Thank you.